Today, let's have a great trade practice to improve our skills to the next level. We will go over a full top-down analysis by using smart money concepts and price action. We will discuss how to spot trade areas and how to make possible trades. If you are good to go, let's do this. Now let's talk about how to read market structure and get a solid idea of the price action on any chart. Here we are looking at a 5-minute Bitcoin chart that shows two specific liquidity levels as your main targets, the previous day's high and the previous day's low. We also have this nice area of equal low sitting below, which acts as another clear target for the price. When the price gets really close to the previous day's low, or the PDL, you can see that the trend has been pretty bearish overall, and there is a clean support and resistance flip happening around that zone. At this point, the structure is clearly trending down, heading right toward the PDL. We confirmed this. So taking a short trade here wouldn't be a bad idea at all. You get a clear target downside, a bearish structure going on, and a nice SR flip and imbalance area lining up perfectly. Everything looks great on paper. But this is where the reality of trading hits you. This setup actually failed, as you can see, and that's okay. That's how trading works sometimes. A little later, the price broke up really strongly, moving up fast and getting close to the previous day's high, or the PDH this time. Now you can clearly see that trend has shifted. The lower time frame is showing higher highs, meaning the momentum has flipped bullish. This is your moment to switch your bias. The short-term trend is now up, making new higher highs and heading straight toward the PDH target this time. Since the structure has shifted upward and is now moving toward the high level, your trade idea should flip too, looking for long setup instead of short ones. You want to take those long trades on a nice pullbacks, ideally around SR flip zones or imbalance areas. As you can see, whether it is a short or long trade, the core idea stays the same. Sometimes it works perfectly, and some other times it just fails. That is the reality of trading, and every trader has to accept this truth. Now let's take a look at the Ethereum chart, which actually has a pretty similar chart to Bitcoin. The trend was quite bearish at one point, constantly making lower lows. So taking a short trade during that time wasn't a bad idea at all. It was actually a pretty solid setup. But then, at some point, the internal structure shifts. The price starts to pushing higher and higher, making new higher highs over and over again, and it begins moving strongly to the upside. Now, at that stage, you need to ask yourself, where is this bullish short-term move heading towards? And the answer is simple. It is heading towards the PDH, which stands for the previous day's high level. Along the way, the price gives small entry opportunities for both bigger positions and quick scalp trades. But the real question is this: how do you trade this? Because every trader has a different lifestyle and trading routines. Now the first option is for people who are super busy. If you are someone who does not have much time to sit and stare at charts all day long, setting up these bigger, longer term setups will work best for you. The target is clear, and since the lower time frame is showing a bullish trend, you can simply set your trade and use a slightly larger stop loss. Try to aim for around 1.5 or 2 hour maximum on these setups. It is a great approach for busy traders who don't want to constantly watch the screens. And the second option is for more active traders, the ones who can spend maybe 3, 4, 5 hours a day watching the charts. For you, it is better to take smaller scalp trades, which in the same direction as the PDH, always following the low time frame structure and the trend. As you can see, there are different trading styles and approaches that can fit just about every type of trader out there. Okay friends, this was a good educational video. See you next time and please take care and have a great day. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free TradingView indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.